Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is valued opinions. Member take part in online surveys, complete diary, studies and test new products in their spare time. In exchange we offer them gift cards and vouchers. From some of the biggest brands around, we have been going since 2004 and currently have ordered 3 million members worldwide. And the paid market research for online valued opinion. What is valued opinion? We could tell you what valued opinions in the largest paid survey panel in the world, but we had showing off. We like to think of ourselves as a market research community. Members take part in it online surveys, complete diary, studies and test new products in their spare time. In exchange, we offer them gift cards and vouchers from some of the biggest brands around. We have been going since 2004, currently have over 3 million members worldwide. Get started. Awesome rewards for your views. Our online surveys help shape the product and services of the future. How by letting big companies and organizations know precisely what you think. They value your feedback, so we reward you for the time you put in. Redeem gift cards and vouchers for top brands like Amazon.com. From environmental issues and blockbuster films to fashion trends and your favorite foods, or just want your honest opinions, it is really does make a difference. Does valued opinion pay? As a valued opinions member, you will be regularly invited to take part in paid market research in the form of online surveys and product testing. You can earn up to $5 in credit for each survey you complete, which you can exchange for vouchers from top brands including Woolworths, Coors and Bunnings, and many more. How to get money from valued opinions. Take paid online surveys and make your views count. That's why when you join valued opinions, we will give up to $7 for each paid surveys you complete. Your credit is redeemable for gift cards for top retailers including Amazon.com, Messi and Target. Just check the video and next. That ways, when you join, valued opinions will give you up to $7 for each paid survey you complete. Your credit is redeemable for gift cards to top retailer including Amazon.com, Messi and Target. Who own valued opinions? Valued opinions, the panel is market research access owned and operated by Denta LLC and its parent subsidiary and affiliated companies including Danata Global UK Limited, FKA Research Now Limited, Research Now Group LLC, collectively Danata. What is the value opinion? A value opinion refers to individuals' viewpoint, perspective, or judgment that holds significance, merit, and usefulness in a given text. Should I trust paid surveys? All retrievable online and service websites will ask some amount of information for the purpose of setting up your account. If you are required to provide confidential information in order to complete the paid service online, it's likely a scam. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.